Like a lot of you, for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be working from home, and I didn't realize how much I look forward to going to the studio because it got me out of the house. So I started thinking, what am I going to do to have something to look forward to? What's going to be the bright spot of the day? And yeah, okay, I could make my own coffee every morning, but it's not as fun as trying a new coffee shop. So for the next week, that's what I'm going to do. Try a new coffee shop every single day. I found local coffee shops that either do delivery or that do curbside pickup, and I'm going to share my experience with you. First up is Brewed Ltd. They have 2 locations. This one is in Bishop Arts, and they have to-go or delivery. Limited menu right now. The oatmeal cookie latte with extra cinnamon. For all you coffee connoisseurs, the barista tells me that they use beans from Oak Cliff Roasters. Now, I am not a coffee connoisseur, so I actually had to Google coffee descriptive words, right? So I could describe the flavor, and I found this color wheel that talked about aroma and flavor descriptions. I'm gonna try my best. So one of the reasons that I really like the oatmeal cookie latte is because it calls for oat milk. And if you've got a dairy intolerance or dairy allergy, like I do, it's perfect. It's a great alternative. Consulting my color wheel, mellow and chocolate-like, a little nutty, smooth. But seriously, the best part is that I can drink all of it and you never get that sort of overly sweet taste at the very end. The oatmeal cookie latte isn't even technically on the menu anymore, but they'll still make it. Ask for it. You will not be disappointed. But they have the candy bar latte, the London fog latte. I mean, there's a lot of specialty drinks, and if that's not your thing, there is regular drip coffee or espresso drinks. They've got tea, soda, you get it. There's a lot of options. All right, I'm gonna finish this cup and Kara's coffee run continues.